Well, good morning, y'all, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Vicki, and as promised, I'm going to throw together my crunchy burger, cheeseburger, and take it to lunch today. And I promised a lot of people that I would show you how quick and easy it was. So I just take a little egg wash on my tortilla, and this is a low-carb tortilla. And I'm going to do both sides of the tortilla with the egg wash. This is kind of the glue that holds everything together. You know, this is so quick and easy. I've only got 15 minutes and I need to do this really quickly. Okay. I've got some white American cheese, no matter what kind of cheese you put on it. And I have a leftover burger. And let's see what I have. Let's put, I like a little cream cheese on this instead of mayonnaise because the mayonnaise kind of makes it greasy when you're heating it. And the cream cheese doesn't, it gives it a good flavor. A little mustard. Okay, do you like pickles on your hamburger? So I'm going to put a little dill pickles. And a top piece of cheese. And what I'm going to do is just bring the tortilla up and around and over. And I'm just going to go in a circle. And I kind of have to pull it a little bit. So I want it to meet in the center. You got to be careful how big you make your burgers. Okay, I got a little section that's not covered, so I'm going to tear off some tortilla and cover it. And there we go. Now, my preference is to put a little bit more wash on it and cover it with everything bagel seasoning. I love this. I love Pampered Chef's blend of everything bagel. It's perfect with the garlic and the seeds, and look at how nice it looks. Okay, I'm just going to put this, and you can put it right on your air fryer, right? But I like to put it on the stone because it crisps both sides. I'll be right back. Okay, the crispy cheeseburger is ready, and it's ready to go to lunch today. So, I'm putting my bento box together in 15 minutes. As always, give someone your beautiful smile today. It makes you feel good inside, and you know, you just could make somebody else's day. So important. And come back to see me and tell me where you're looking at me from. See you later. Bye.